Good morning everyone. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng network sa IT important subject following the steps given by our instructor, Mr. Roel Papier. So let's get started. Ang una natin gagawin is creating first network. Start creating a network by first selecting the end devices at the generic PC and a generic server sa workspace. So, mag-add tayo ng generic PC sa workspace. Ito yung workspace natin. Ito yung mga gagamitin nating devices or features ng application na to. Tapos, generic server workspace, generic server. Siguro ito yung generic server. Second, under the connection, select the copper straight through cable or solid block and connect the devices with it. The red light on the link indicates that the connection is not working. Now use so ito yung connections, the solid block, connection dalawa. So, nag-add nga. Now, use the delete tool to remove the copper straight through cable and use the copper crossover with the dash line. Instead, the light should turn green at this point. If the mouse pointer is held over either devices, the link status will be shown as up. The network should look similar to this. Ito yung magiging itsura. Remove natin ito. Palitan natin ang itong copper crossover connection. Yes, mag-pin nga. Next, click on PC while paying attention to the link lights. Turn the power on, off, and on again. Follow the steps for the server. Click yung PC, tapos on off daw. Try to on ito, tapos off, tapos ano naman. Same procedure sa server. Oops. On, off, on, off, on. Try 3 ways to learn about it. First, move over the devices to see basic configuration about the information. Second, click each devices with the selected tool to show the configuration window. Ito yung basic information ng devices natin. Port, link, IP address, not set, IPv6 address, not set, gateway, DNS, line number, not set. So, click on each devices with the select tool to show the device configuration window. Third, use the inspect tool to view the table's network devices. Build as learn about the network and this example of desire table system device. Open the PC configuration window to change the setting. Config tab. Click config. Ito. Tapos, change the display name to client. So, papalitan daw display name to client. Tapos, set the DNS server to set the server to 192.168.0.105. Then, under the interface, click fast internet. Click fast internet and set IP address to click fast internet, set IP address to 192.168.0.110. Then packet tracer automatically computes other parameters. Make sure that the port status box is checked for future settings and bandwidth. Duplex MAC address and subnet can be verified. So, go to the desktop tab, tapos desktop, Click on IP configuration. Notice that the IP address subnet has every indicates as well as subnet. So ito yan. Open the server configuration window and go to config tab. Change the display name to web server. So ito na naman. Ito naman ang edit natin. Config tab. Tapos papalitan yung display name sa web server. Click on fast internet. Set IP address as so same lang. Click yung fast internet. Set IP address to 192.168.105. Then make sure that mali 192.168.0.105. Tapos make sure that the port status is also on. Port status is on. Click DNS and set domain. Siguro sa services na nakikita DNS. Click DNS and set the domain name as www.firstlab.com. So set natin ito as www.firstlab.com. Next, set IP address. Set the IP address as 192.168.0.105 and click add. And finally check to make sure that this is on. And finally click add. Finally check sulit lang ta. Then 8th step is to reposition the network devices by dragging them to a new location. Add the network description using I. Drag natin to a new different destination. Add the network description. New network. New network button na po ito na, and then add text labels within the logical workspace by using the place node tool. Tapos load a background grid using the set tile background button. Add tayo ng background. Yes. And there's that part. And last step, save your work using the file. Save as option and create a meaningful file name. So, magsisave na tayo. Save as. Meron na akong nagawa dito. Diba? So, add lang tayo ng bago. Assessment ID4. Assessment ID4 lang. Okay, na-save na. Sa atin ito. Tapos so ngayon guys, ang gagawin naman natin is magsasend tayo ng message in real-time mode. So ang first na gagawin natin is start by opening the file saved in the last section. So open natin ulit yung packet tracer. Saan yung packet tracer? Search natin dito. So yan yung nakikita nyo. Ang ating workspace ay currently blank. So ang first step daw ay start by opening the file saved in the last section. So hanapin na natin yung file na ginawa natin kanina. Open. So assessment, IT4 yung pangalan nun. So pili mo lang yung open. So ito yung network description. Yung note. Okay. Notice that the file opens in real-time mode. Use the add simple PDU tool to send a simple one-time ping called an echo request to the server. The server responds with an echo reply because all devices have properly configured IP address settings. Scroll up and down the user created packet window to see the different capabilities to ping message, including an indication that the ping was successful. Toggle list window to see a larger display of this message. Notice that the scenario 1 is really 0 errors. I not scenarios. The use of the same topology experimented with the different groupings of user. Click new scenario. Click new scenario. Add two packet using simple video, PDP situation, and video for reviews. Then add item describing the first scenario. So, add tayo ng new scenario. Ayan. Tapos send tayo ng PDU message from PC to server, tapos server to PC. Yan, ito. Then add an iNote describing the scenario. To complete scenario 1, example is shown below. So ito yung scenario 1, gagawa tayo ng note. So this is the scenario 1. So this is the scenario 1. Next, several scenarios can be saved with a single network, alternate between scenario 1 and 0. Now remove scenario 7. Now remove scenario 0 using the delete button. Delete natin yung scenario 0. Delete. Scenario 1 is now visible. Go to the last column in the PDU created packages. So itong last, tapos delete. Yan, delete. Delete the scenario. Yung scenario will list. So ito, di-delete natin yung whole scenario. Click lang yung delete. Mag-establish tayo ng web server connection using the PC's web browser. So, close muna natin to. So, click on the PC to view the configuration window. Click on the PC, tapos select the desktop tab, then unclick web browser. Click on the web browser. Type firstlab.com as the URL and click go button. So type natin yung www.firstlab.com, then the packet ratio will be page will show. Wala. So, ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin is mag-establish tayo ng web server connection using the PC's web browser. So, the first step is to open the file, click on the PC to view the configuration window, click on PC, tapos select the desktop tab, select yung desktop, and then click the web browser, tapos type yung www.firstlab.com. Ay naging yung firstlab.com dito, www.firstlab.com, tapos click on go. Hostname unresolved, firstlab.com, go. So ito yung page ng ginawa natin kaninang tracer, tapos here indicating that the connection so established. So pagka merong ganito, kung nakita nyo ganito, ibig sabihin daw connection has been successfully established. Then clear, erase natin to, and type www lang, tapos click. So yun, so ibig sabihin walang ganitong page na www lang yung address. Then try natin type yung IP address 192.168.0.105. So ito, pwede rin pala natin gamitin pang search ng page yung ating IP address. Notice that the packet tracer will come up here again. This is because the IP address can also be used to establish a web connection. So close the window and try the same step in simulation mode. In this mode, the user controls time, so the network can be viewed running at a slow pace, allowing observation of the packet state and inspection of packets in detail. So, close down natin, close. Switch to main interface of packet tracer without closing the PC configuration window. Notice that the begin is packets. So, ulit. Close the window and try the same step simulation mode. In this mode, this will control time. So, click natin to. Tapos, open ulit yun. Tapos, your browser. Type firstlab.com. So, makikita natin, hindi pa nag-a-appear kasi naka-pause time tayo. Switch interface without closing the PC configuration window. Notice na the DN is added to the event list. So, ito yung event list. Nandito na yung message natin. Click auto capture or play repeatedly. Click the capture button until that easy appears on the PC. So, click natin yung auto capture play. Dito natin kung paano mag-establish ng connection ng packet tracer. So ito, malalaman natin na natapos na yung pag-send ng message kung lalabas na tong page ng ginawa nating network kanina. So close the PC configuration window. Close natin to. Close. So tapos na. Check. Message has been sent. Congratulations on successfully establishing a web server connection. So Continue natin yung vlog natin about sa ginawa nating packet kahapon. So let's start. Open the previous saved file. So open natin yung ginawa natin kahapong file. Open. So ito yun, assessment IT4. Open. Yes, lumabas yung note na new network. So in real-time mode, send PDU from PC to server. Real-time mode. Move na natin yung camera. Yan. So, send tayo ng PDU from PC to server. Yan. Yan. Tapos, delete the PDU using the method learned. So, delete natin ito. Reset simulation. Delete ito, delete. So, ulit. First step is open the previously saved file. So, yan, open na. In real-time mode, send the PDU from PC to server. Send from client to web server. Yan. So, delete the PDU using learned. So, delete natin yung PDU. Punta tayo dito sa PDU list. So, ito, delete lang natin. Double click. Delete. Yan. Tapos, ito, simulation mode. Ito, simulation mode. Then, click edit filters. Ito, click edit filters. Tapos, edit filter, click all none, show all none. Ito. So yan, uncheck na lahat. Click all none fields, check ICMP only. Tapos, this packet has been captured as the first event. Split. Add a PDU from PC to server. So, add a PDU from PC to server. So, ito, ICP only lang yung nakalagay kasi yan lang yung naka-check sa filters natin. Tapos, so ito, this packet has been captured as the first event. So, first event list. Click the capture forward button once. Capture forward button once. Yan, once lang. This simulates a network sniffing program, capturing the next event that occurs on the network. Note, after clicking capture forward button, the packet as workspace moves from the one device to another. This ICP echo request from the server. Another event is added in event list. So, ito, another event is added to the event list. Ito yung event list natin. Pagka-click lang natin ng capture forward, ito yung dumagdag. Tapos, this reflects the change in the workspace. The first true an animation meaning of the capture forward is capture. After resetting simulation, the meaning is forward. Adjust speed. Ito yung speed. Siguro ito yung slow. Tapos ito yung fast. Adjust speed animation by dragging the switch to the right, making go faster, dragging speed to the direction to the left. So left is slow, right is fast. Adjust speed of the animation by dragging. Click event capture second time. So fast natin. So pinakamabilis. Try natin. So yun, makikita nyo yun. Sobrang bilis. Tapos try natin sa left side, opposite direction. Ay, reset pala, reset simulation muna. So ito, so yun, kung nakikita nyo, sobrang bagal pag send ng message from PC to client server. Tapos ulit, reset simulation, try natin yung dito lang. So kita nyo bumilis, tapos try na rin natin yung normal speed lang. Yan, dito sa gitna. So yun yung normal speed, tapos yan. So ito yun. So next gagawin natin is itong looking inside the packet simulation mode. So reset mo natin ito, tapos continuing from the last activity, click reset simulation. So yun, reset na natin, disclose the entire event except the original packet. Select the packet envelope on the workspace. Show the PDF information window like one shown in the screen below. Alright, click natin to. Ito. Tapos this window contains OSI model tab. Select the envelope on the workspace to show the PDF information window shown in the screenshot. This window contains OSI model. So i-click natin yung envelope. Dapat ito, same sila nung nasa screenshot. The whole row, this window contains the OSI model, which shows how the packet is processed at each layer of the OSI model by current device. Close the window, noting that this packet is indicated in the event list on the eye icon. The whole row in the event list is also highlighted. Clicking on the color square into column is equivalent to clicking directly on the packet envelope. Try it. Yeah. Try natin i-capture forward. Tapos try natin i-click yung message or yung envelope na na-send. So ito, kita nyo may dumagdag na inbound details video, outbound video details. So tatlo na sila. Use the next layer, previous layer button to see details of the packet processing at the relevant OSI layers. Note that only the out layer can be viewed in the case of this original. So ito, click natin to. Makikita nyo may mga information na lumalabas. Tapos click on the outbound video details. So ito, outbound video details. This tab shows exactly what makes up video headers. It is organized into headers type and the individual fields in each header. Close the video information window. Click capture. So close natin to video information, tapos click capture. Click on the outbound video. Click ito, tapos outbound video. Click on the packet at workspace again to open a video information window na set the information regarding both layers can be viewed. So ito, both inbound and outbound. So click on the video detail tab. This shows the detail inbound echo request from PC to server. So ito, inbound daw, the information from PC to server. Tapos the outbound video detail tab shows the similar information but for the echo reply from server to PC. So ito same lang daw sila, pero yung origin ng message is from a server to PC. Dito naman sa inbound is yung origin is PC to server. Click on the reset simulation again. Now click auto capture. So reset simulation, tapos auto capture. The echo request can reply automatically captured. Click on the back button to rewind. So ito. So click natin daw yung back para mag-rewind. Yan, bumalik. Tapos now click capture forward. Click capture forward naman. So yun. Note the change of event in this list workspace. Remember that anytime a PD information window can be opened by clicking directly on the envelope on the workspace or by clicking into the column in the event list. Click on the back button twice to rewind the animation. Now click auto play and packet animation will automatically occur. So back twice. Tapos yun, kita nyo yung animation. To rewind the animation, now click auto capture. Click auto capture. Yan, auto capture. Now packet animation will automatically occur. So yan, packet animation will automatically occur. Reset natin to. Close lang. Balik tayo sa real-time mode. Tapos open save file. So ito yun. Open the ARP tables for both devices by clicking them with the inspect tool. The ARP table will always appear on the same spot. Repositioning them to make them both visible. You can also resize the table. So ito yun. Parang ito, magnifying glass. Click lang. Tapos ARP table. Click. Tapos click the ARP table. Resizing them to view the details clearly. Ayan. Tapos in real-time mode, send a PDU from PC to server. Notice that the ARP table are filled in automatically as shown here. So ito, reposition muna natin. Yan, para mas kita. So, sabi, in real time mode, send a PDU from PC to server. Send a PDU from PC to server. Notice that the ARP tables are filled automatically as shown. Tapos, delete PDUs in the covered in the previous section. Notice that the entire ARP table are not cleared. So, delete muna natin. Delete. Entire devices have already been learned. Deleting the user created video does not reset event that what is already called in the network. Click power cycle devices ARP. Are cleared because the power cycle devices button turns the devices off and back on again, therefore losing temporary application every entire. Go to simulation mode in an event list filters. Make sure that ICMP and ERP check so that you can view ICMP and ERP simulation. So click dito. Edit filters, ICMP tsaka ARP lang. Both devices have deleting the click on the ARP mode table and clear it because go to simulation mode. Credits for video from server to PC. So, server na naman to PC. Then from server to PC. Then notice that that since the devices were power cycled earlier, the ARP tables are empty. Progress packet needs to be issued before the encrypting packet so that the devices in the network can learn about each other. Click on auto replica to watch the animation. So yun yung animation. 9. So reset simulation. Notice that the event through the event list is cleared except for the user created video. So ito yun. The ARP tables remain full. Ito, ARP table. Click autoplay. This time since the ARP table are full, there are no new ARP table packet issued. So yun. Click power cycle devices. Doing so will empty the tables. Notice that the ARP request packets appear automatically in the event list. Click. Wait lang. Check muna natin. So, click power cycle devices. Yes. So yun, kung makikita nyo, ARP, ICMP, so visible. So single clicking, delete button removes the entire scenario, all the videos associated within it. So click. So yan, deleted na. Double click on the column with the video list, deletes individuals. This simulation button clears ito. Power cycle turns all off and off devices in the network off and on, so the tables devices built are lost along with the configuration and other information not saved. Saving critically prevents loss liquidation state changes in the network. So yun, natapos na natin yung activity guys. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.